These are ProMaster's new cold shoe accessories, and so we're going to go through them one by one. They're all made of CNC machined aluminum and anodized, so they're extremely lightweight, extremely durable. Starting with the 4-in-1, you can see that we have one mounted here on a Sony camera. There's actually 4 different cold shoes on this piece for mounting all types of accessories. Could be for use with a strobe transmitter, could be for LED lighting, microphones, all types of accessories. Here on this camera we've got a mic and an LED mounted, and you can see that there's still 2 open slots for other accessories if we want to use them. Secondly, we have the Dovetail speedlight mount, and this piece is actually a cold shoe for mounting a speed light or an LED light or anything else that uses a hot or cold foot, and it has an Arca base on it along with a 1/4-20 in the bottom. So with the 1/4-20 you can mount it to the top of a light stand or the top of a tripod, or you could go directly to a head that uses an Arca Swiss type mounting system like that one. So an XCM, a Specialist, a Scout, or a variety of other brands give you a very simple and easy way of mounting a light. The third piece is the 1/4-20 cold shoe. Now this has a 1/4-20 mounting hole in the bottom of it. So again, it can be mounted to something like a quick release plate on a tripod. It could be mounted to a light stand or any type of another item that has a male 1/4-20 in the bottom. It also includes a bolt that can be put through the shoe, and now it can be mounted to an accessory that has a 1/4-20 female hole on it, like the grip for the ProMaster Complete L system. This is a very convenient way of mounting a light or a microphone to the top of the grip or similar type of items.